Okay, question 13. Always, when we're filling in the Venn diagram, it's the bit in the middle that we want first. So I'm looking for the bit that's got all three subjects: geography, history, and religious studies. So 15 is going in the middle. 21 is geography and history. Now that is this section here, the two of them together. The 15 and the something else needs to make 21. So that's 6 in there, obviously. Geography and religious studies are these two sections here. And in the question it says those two sections need to make 16. So with the 15 that we need a 1 in there. 30 study geography. If I know that this is a 1 and a 15 and a 6 and there's 30 altogether in this circle, then 22 from 30 means that that's got to be an 8 in there. 18 only study RS. So in the bit that's only in the R circle and nothing to do with the other circles is 18, and 1 and 5 means that we can work out that we need 3 to make the final answer in the religious studies up to 37, like it says in the question there. That leaves us just filling in with the H circle, and somewhere in the question it says they must study at least one of the subjects. So that means you can't have any numbers outside these circles, which means that all of the remaining people have to be in this bit here, which we've not worked out yet. It says in the question that it is 65 altogether, so the number that makes that add up to 65 altogether would be a 14 in there. Okay, part B. Now, work out the probability that they do not study geography, but importantly, it says that we are given, or we know already, that they are doing history and religious studies. So what that means is we're not choosing out of everybody, we are choosing out of only those that do history and RS. So history and RS are these two here. Okay, there are actually 18 that do history and RS. So these are the ones that we're choosing that will go on the bottom of our fraction when it's a probability question, because we are choosing from these 18. Now what we want are the ones that do not study geography. So out of the 15 and the 3, the ones that will not be doing geography are the ones that are not in the G circle. So it's 3 that we want. But we want it as a probability, so we're choosing those 3 out of the 18 in the two little sections there. So the probability as an answer is going to be 3/18. You can leave it for that in a probability question. If it's a fraction question, you may prefer to cancel it down to 1/6.